Birds, part of our natural ecosystem. They add sound and color to our lives. Peacock, the national bird of India. Green peacock, found in Java and Myanmar. Kingfisher loves to live near rivers to eat fish. Oriental dwarf kingfisher, a resident of lowland forest. Woodpecker uses its strong beak to make holes in tree trunk to find insects to eat. Indian grey hornbill, found in Indian subcontinent, prefers open woodlands, plantations, gardens and parks in cities. Great hornbill, the state bird of Kerala and Arunachal Pradesh in India. Hummingbird. They are smallest migrating birds. When they flap their wings, a humming sound is created. They are the only birds that can fly backwards. Yellow-footed green pigeon is found in the Indian subcontinent. It is the state bird of Maharashtra. Toucan, tropical American forest bird, known for their large, colored bill. Blue jay, one of the world's intelligent birds, found them in East and Central America. Blue macaw or hyacinth macaw, the largest flying parrot. Flamingo, beautiful wading bird. Flamingos get their beautiful pink color from the shrimp they eat. Owl. An owl can turn its head a full 270 degrees. Ostrich. Ostrich, world's largest flightless bird with long legs and a long neck.